Hi. Yeah. Here we are going to discuss of SAP Analytics Cloud Analytics series. Actually, previously I have posted one video. Later, I didn't find the time to continue that once. That's why I stopped. Now I am back. I have good amount of time now. I will continue that series. Okay. Yeah. Previously, I have posted some video like explaining the SAC analytics, how do we create the story dashboard, how to embed the graphical elements like charts or pie charts or bar charts. Those are the stuff I have explained, right? So in this video, I will focus on mainly SAC delivered functionalities. Those are helpful for creating the analytical dashboard or analytical data sets. Okay, that is the my main focus on this video. So here what I'm going to do, yeah, here already I created one story dashboard here. Okay, and this story dashboard, you know how to create, like taking the connecting to the model. From that you can get the table. You can create a table. There you collect the required rows, required dimensions in the rows and columns. That's how we create the story dashboard, right? If you have any questions, just go to my analytics series first video. Only one video is there. You can go and look into that one. Okay, this is my story dashboard. Here I have maintained state variant account. This is I named this storyboard as the dealer price planning because my main goal is here to analyze the data of the dealer price related information. Here I have maintained the state with the some hierarchy level like world, India, under the India, what are the states, under the variants I have maintained again one hierarchy. So order quantity only I am showing here. And this is my forecast version. You can see here, right? This is my version is the forecast version. So I'm expecting these values or these figures from the each dealer, or from the, yeah, from the each dealer, or from each for each variant. I'm expecting these many items from each region. Here I'm not showing you any dealer information, right? Under the each dealer, I mean under the each region, you can see some of the dealers also. I will here at the country level I am showing you, and here variant level I am showing you the data, but not at the dealer level, right? So dealer level, it is aggregating the data at variant level and aggregating data at the country level. Of course, it is aggregating data at region level, and it is aggregating data at state level also. If you expand this hierarchy, you can see AP level. This is the state, right? Under the state level, for this variant, top level, how many vehicles you are expecting? What is the order quantity you are expecting for each variant? That one. This is the these are the values, right? This is how I can drill down. But this data, it is not showing at the dealer level, right? Say suppose this story dashboard, if I give to the user, but user want to know, I want to see the data at the dealer level also, right? That is what his requirement. So he want to drill down this data. For that, actually, SAC has provided one functionality. Let us go and connect it to this builder panel. Under the rows, you can see add dimensions. Here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one dimension input control under the rows. Okay, dimension input control I'm creating. Let us create one dimension input control. I'm selecting the dealer. These are the dimensions, right? Available dimensions. Here I'm selecting the dealer, and you can select anything here. Okay. Uh, Models, state, everything is here. Of course, you can select n number of dimensions. Just for our understanding purpose, I am selecting the region also, so that we can see region as the line item in our dashboard. But region already we are showing here at the top as a parent to the state. Okay, so here I am selecting dealer and region as the selected dimensions input controls. Okay, now go ahead here and create your dimension input control. Here you see new dimension input control. Here we have added. Once I add this one, page filter in the side panel also it is showing, right? Dealer, like this it is showing. See, once I add this one, it is showing here in the row wise it is showing. So it disaggregated my data, right? HRV level or CRV level. Now drill down happened here or disaggregated data based on the dealer. This is how the data dimension input control will work. But if you go to here, here dealer and region both are, you can select anyone, and region you can display now. Now the region level it is getting aggregated, and dealer level it is it is disaggregating, right? So it is kind of drill down and analysis purpose. But here my question is, can we select the two dimensions? Can we bring these two dimensions into the dashboard at one go? No, input control is not allowing you to select the two dimensions to select them into the either rows or in the columns. Not only in the rows, you can select them in the columns also. Here, suppose if I go here, let me check the columns. Columns add dimension. If you go here, you see here input control is there. So in the column wise also you can add a dimension to the column, or to the row also you can add your dimension. Mainly this dimension input control is useful to either disaggregate or aggregate your existing data set based on that selected dimension. Okay, that is the one thing important. Okay. Okay, now once I select that one, the default the system is selecting one dimension here. That is the region here you are seeing. Okay, let me, here you see once in the side panel, once I select this one, it is showing some additional features here. We are in the edit mode of the story dashboard. That's why it is showing edit input control, show or hide, head title, subtitle, warning error, sorry, show hide, header title I have removed, and header icon, let us place header icon so that we can understand that this is the input control. Okay, that's fine, but we need some header title, right? We need to edit that header title Let me select this one. Okay, for now I'm leaving that. Okay, because I need to work on some other functionality. Okay, so this is how we configure our input control, the importance of the input control. Okay, now I have a scenario here. I have a scenario where I'm looking. I want to classify these dealers. I want to classify these dealers as super dealers, excellent dealers, or just let us classify them as silver, gold, platinum. Okay, so this is the forecast version, right? And dealer price planning we are doing here. So based on the dealer's achievements, dealer's targets, this company is planning to offer some extra benefits to them, either in the form of extra vehicles or extra cash discount. So different type of offers generally they will put forward to the dealers when they are doing the forecasting, right? Say suppose, okay, this quarter if you sell this many, or if this year if you sell this many vehicles, you will get four vehicles. Suppose for platinum, if you achieve platinum, uh, if you are become the platinum dealer, then you will get 10 vehicles extra free, right? And if you are the gold, four vehicles you will get. If you are the silver, you will get one vehicle. Like that I want to classify that one. So here forecast version. Okay, forecast version, I have maintained the targets for every dealer. That's fine, right? So here you see from the P2 period, February onwards, we have maintained the forecast version. So I want to classify these dealers as a different based on their targets. I fixed the targets. Okay, you achieve this minimum, you achieve this one. Suppose P04. If you achieve this value minimum, then you will get platinum. If you sell vehicles more than 10,000, you will get it. Sorry, if you sell vehicles more than 10,000, you become the platinum. If you reach the set targets, you become the gold. And if you perform between the target set target and maximum, then you become the silver partner. Like that I want to classify this data. Classifying the data in the sense dealers, I want to classify these dealers based on certain parameters. That is also comes under the analysis, right? So here what I'm going to do, the SAC has provided one functionality for us for that. Here I go with builder panel. Oh, I already created one calculated dimension. Okay, and I have created already this one. Okay, wait. Let me take it out. Okay, what I'm going to do here. Here you see uh, create calculated dimension, right? Create calculated dimension. Here you go with create calculated dimension. Here you can see two type of dimensions: calculated dimension, value based dimension. This is interesting concept in the SSE, not only the in the SSE, in other analytical tools also you can see similar kind of functionality. It is like creating the master data dynamically, that is specific to this dashboard only. That is the important thing. It is not specific to the model. It is not specific to the page only. It is specific to this entire story dashboard. Here, using this functionality, we are trying to create master data, on-fly master data. We are trying to create. Let us discuss first value-based dimension. Value-based dimension means we read the transaction data. Based on the transaction data, we create master data. That's interesting, right? So our requirement is here order quantity, because we have only order quantity in my model. We have maintained only order quantity. So measure order quantity. I want to read the order quantity of each dealer based on their performance. I will classify the dealers as platinum, gold, and silver. So what I'm trying to the system, hey, I read the order quantity from my model, and here I am giving the dimension member names. Dimension member names. How I am create? Let me, before creating the member names, first I need to define what dimension I am looking for. Right? If you have dimension, then you will have the members. So here I am defining dimension ID. This dimension ID is not the realistic dimension ID. This is just on-fly dimension only. So what I'm creating here, dealer, again dealer ranking only I'm keeping. No, dealer ranking, not the dealer ranking, dealer performance category. Dealer performance category I will keep. Dealer performance category I am keeping. Okay. I will keep description as dealer performance category. Like this I maintain. So what I'm creating here, I'm creating one dimension, order quantity I take in, member name now. I take like, okay, platinum. If you are platinum, to achieve the platinum, you need to get, you need to sell 6,000 vehicles to 10,000 vehicles. I'm setting the target for the each dealer, and each dealer I'm setting the target. Okay, so platinum. Now if you come to the silver, this is the lower bound, upper bound, right? So we need to define both the bounds here. So here I'm giving, if reaches 6,000, lower than 6,000 to 5,000, sorry, 5,000, you are the silver, and gold, you become 4,000 to 5,000. So here I'm writing these guys. I'm giving one more category for the non-performers. I'm giving non-performer. Let me reduce this one to the 3,000. I'm not sure what kind of data we have, so that's why I reduced 1,000 to 3,000. I'm putting the values like this. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell to the system, okay, these are the members of this dimension. These member values go and read the order quantity. Okay, go and read the order quantity based on certain condition, based on certain context. So this order quantity of each dealer, right? That's why here dimension contest, I'm selecting dealer. So I'm telling to the system, okay, you go and read the order quantity by dealer. Okay, version also I have selected. This version you cannot uncheck because we need to select some version there. That is the mandatory in the dimension contest. Now filter contest. Filter contest, I'm telling to the system, okay, I have already story filters and page filters. Oh, I do not have any story filters. Okay. No filters in the story side, right? No page filters, no story filters. That's fine. Now filter contest, under the filter contest, so what I'm going to do, I am taking only the fiscal period. So for better understanding purpose, what I'm trying to do, I will I'm trying to reduce the data set, okay, so that we can analyze the data perfectly. Once our data set is showing perfectly and our analytical results also perfectly it is showing, then we can expand this filter contest, right? That's what I'm going to do here. So here I'm taking input control, select by member. Just let me focus on only one period. P04 I'm taking here. Okay, this is the one I'm taking. So what I'm trying to tell to the system, okay, you read the order quantity by dealer by period. This is a filter contest, right? I'm filtering the dealer data. Sorry, order quantity data. I'm reading by dealer, and the data I want to filter by fiscal period again. This can be changed based on the input control. Okay, so like this I am giving. Let us go and set this. You see dealer performance category by default added to the rows, and here it is showing some values. Gold, platinum. What is this one? Null it is showing. Why? P044219. It is not in the range, right? That's why it is showing the null here. Gold, gold 5000. Sorry, platinum. I said more than 6,000. Let me go and check. Go and check your dealer performance category. Platinum more than 6,000. Gold 3,000 to 5,000. Okay, non-performer. Hmm. More than 6,000 platinum. Dealer order quantity, right? We are seeing here. Yeah, here we will get the values, right values. At what level we are aggregating the data, that is what important. So I'm aggregating the data at dealer and version level. Version I have taken. Oh, okay, wait, sorry. Looks I have not taken version. Version. Okay, I have applied this to the all the versions. Let me filter down. Let me filter down the version to forecast only. Okay, so that we can understand it easily. Forecast one only I have taken here. Filter. So forecast one only I have taken. State CRV My now dealer platinum 6,700. Above 6,000 we have platinum. Between below 6,000 we should have gold, but it is showing gold, right? Why? Uh, because of the data we are showing at a different level here. That's why it is showing these values. Let me go and select the period also here so that we can understand easily. Already I have filtered P04 already here. It is there. Whatever the data variant level we have. Okay, I changed here performance category function. Actually what I have done, because I don't want to see the null values, that's why platinum I have maintained 6,000 to 30,000, 30K. Okay, silver I have maintained this value range, so that what I am seeing here, the values I am seeing at this level, but these are at the aggregating by variant level, right? But I want to see the data by the dealer level actually. That's what my requirement is. So again, I will go and add dealer. I'm adding the dealer. I'm adding the dealer here. Platinum dealer. He is the platinum dealer, but 6,000, above 6,000, it should be the. Did I miss any aggregation here? Okay, here we are showing the data like this. So India CRV, what we are showing, this is under the gold dealer performance category. This region, this CRV, India, not India. At least let us analyze based on the region. Okay, South region it is showing P04 25 271, and this is okay platinum. Okay, these values are more than. But what we are expecting, where we want to analyze the dealer's performance, not the region performance. Okay, region performance, these values, this region performance may be the different from the dealer performance, right? So what I'm going to do here, let me create other page so that you can understand in the better way. I'm creating the other page here. Okay, here I'm creating the other page. Sorry, I'm creating here another page. I'm calling the table. So this is the table I'm calling. See here, one thing you can notice, we discussed later this one. Okay, next video I will discuss this one. What is this table prompt? Because I already have configured, that's why it is showing. Now here, yeah, here one interesting thing here, right? In this page I have created one calculated dimension. Let us see if that available. Yeah, that is available here also, right? Dealer performance category, this is available here. And account I'm selecting, at the unit price I need order quantity I have selected. Columns, it is showing discount, so I will select the order quantity. Something it is showing right now. I will call my dealers I'm calling here, and I need to call fiscal period also. In the row I will call that one, and let me filter down this one to member. What member I have selected? P025, I guess. Second quarter, P0425. There is no data. Forecast version. I have not yet selected any version here. Actually, it is showing. I want to get forecast version. Okay, that's cool. It is showing some data here, right? Gold. It is showing these all these dealers are under the gold. Here, platinum. It is showing. Interesting. This value is somewhat better than this one. So by default, this dealer coming under the platinum. So this is further classification of how many dealers are under the platinum, how many dealers are under the category. But yeah, you can further analyze this data by adding your region. This one already we are getting the top level, right? Region, state, country level, we are getting all this data. If you want to further filter, you can maintain your variant here so that you can get clarity on those values. CRV at the top level you see 6319, but at the bottom level you see the different numbers for this dealer one. So definitely you see some other values so that he comes under the gold performance category. Let us expand this one. You see these values. So CRV it is at the 6319. What about platinum guy? Either 6723. Okay, so these values are perfect now, right? Okay, this is how you can classify your data based on the uh, value based dimension or measure based dimension. And one interesting thing we have seen here, right? Here in the page one, we have defined our calculated dimensions. This is a calculated dimension. This calculated dimension is available in another page also. It means whatever the calculated dimensions are there, they are specific to this story. Entire how many pages you define in the story dashboard. Every page you can access your calculated dimension. This calculated dimension, especially value based dimension, that is similar to the combination of some lookup and conditional formatting in the Excel sheet. You can compare with that feature in the Excel so that you can understand in the better way. Okay, and here one more thing is in the calculated dimension we have seen one more option, right? Let us go and check that one also. Highlight this table so that you can see your build panel. Here let us go and see the other calculated dimension. Okay, here calculated dimension and value based dimension, right? So let us go with calculated dimension. What is this calculated dimension? This is also a kind of on-fly dimension, we can say simply, and we can create the dimension members based on the different functions. Let us take very simple thing. Say suppose order quantity, okay? Or you can see simple functions here. These are all Excel related functions only, right? You can find any values. You can find split, left, right, length. So you can trim. You can any value if it is ending with such thing. These are all simple functions, and of course you can maintain some conditions here, and you can write the values. What I'm going to do here, if I'm using, if interesting feature you can notice, right? Why I'm talking of uh, this one calculated dimension after value based dimension, because I'm seeing the dealer performance category. So value based, whatever the calculated dimension you create, that one I'm calling here. If this one, what I'm trying to tell to the system, if this is gold, can I write like this? Gold 1, else 2. Can I write like this? So what I'm trying to do here, what I'm doing, dealer performance category I'm taking. If it is gold, keep 1 or else 2. This is wrong, right? Because we have three categories. Let me rename this one first. Dealer ranking I'm keeping. But here I can maintain only three params. Let me check. If will it allow me to write like this? Platinum keep 2, else for any other category 3. That's nice, right? What I did, if dealer formula performance category gold, keep 1. This is wrong, man. No, platinum should be the 2, right? Is the this is no, this is 3. This one should be the one, number 1. So I need to expand this one to add one more category. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add here, if this guy, if it is belongs to silver, then he is 2. And he is, if he is non-performer, then keep 4. Let us format this one ended here. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be end by 4, right? If it is silver, yeah. If it is silver 2, else this one. Okay, that's cool. So 4 conditions are there, ended with 4 brackets. That's nice, right? We can understand it easily once it is in the formatting state. That's cool. Now let us go and add this one also. It has added dealer ranking also now. They are giving ranking based on their performance category. Either or they can maintain, right? That's what I have done here. That's cool. So this is how you can use your what do you call, calculated dimension. You can use your calculated dimension in both the ways. Of course, as I said, like if you go and see your create calculated dimension. You can see these many functions are there, right? Very simple transformations. These are all we can say simply transformation functions. So you can better focus on find nest. This is one important function. Sorry, find index. This is find index. This is one important function. Is null also very important function. You can practice using these two functions. Rest of all simply manipulating the data only. Okay, what I said, these two are on-flight dimensions. I said, right? These two are on-flight dimensions. We are not seeing these dimensions in our model. If you go back to your model and look at the model structure, you cannot see these two dimensions. These two are on-flight dimensions. We can say pseudo dimensions. These two dimensions are specific to this story dashboard only. That we should keep in mind. And of course, you see, if I go to the filter, it is showing the members. It's like dimension members, right? And even you go and see data ranking, here also you can see members 1 and 3 only it is showing. Why? Because this is the booked one, right? It will always prefer to show booked data. That's why it is of course, and 1 3 only the categories are also there. That's why it is showing. Okay, that is the one thing you can keep in mind. So yeah, as I said, like these two type of dimensions, on-fly dimension, calculated dimensions are specific to this story dashboard. You can repeatedly use these dimensions once you define in any other pages. I am saving this one as, let me rename this page, edit title, dealer performance category. This is also I'm renaming dealer performance ranking I am giving. So two dashboards I have maintained. You can analyze your data by using these things. Thank you. Thanks for watching.